Guys, Alex here, and today I want to review this orange juice machine in Singapore. You can see this a lot everywhere, so if you guys want to see, stay tuned. This is the orange juice machine. It's called ijooz, and it's $2 a cup. You can see the orange juice, the orange in here. Different payments. Oh, it's juicy. You can see the cups fill. Oranges are moving. Inside the machine. I think this is where they juice the oranges. I can see the oranges right there. Oh wow, that was very quick. Okay, let's open it up. I'm going to try. It looks like pretty heavy. A lot of juice. Okay, guys, I'm going to try it. It tastes like oranges. It doesn't taste like the supermarket orange juice. It actually tastes like real oranges. You can also taste the meat inside too. Very good. Hey guys, this is Alex here. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Today I went to the orange machine. It was very good. I will go there again. And see you guys.